Hey, welcome to math. Who remembers what we did yesterday? Think about it. We were doing something in math. Okay, that might be a clue. You watched a brain pop. Well, I hope you did. Everly, you're right. We learned about 2D shapes. Remember what that D stands for? Yes, dimensional. 2D shapes. 2D shapes are flat shapes. Do it with me. 2D shapes are flat shapes. Very good, guys. So let's review some of the shapes that we learned yesterday. We learned that the shapes can have curved sides or they can have straight sides. We also learned that only one shape that we found out yesterday has curved sides. Who remembers that? Quinn? Yes, you're right, Quinn. A circle. Yes, a circle has curved sides. All right. So let's review the shapes. Sorry, there's a mosquito in my classroom. So here are the different shapes. Here we have is a circle. A circle has curved. The rest of these shapes are straight. So let's review some of the shape names. We have to get quick at this game. Remember, these are 2D, means they're flat. In the Brain Pop video, it was saying plane shapes, okay? Not like an airplane, a plane flat. All right. So let's review. Everybody say circle, circle, curved. Henry, what do you think that is? You're right, Henry. It is a triangle. Triangle. Let's count. Let's think about it. Henry, are these curved or are they straight? You are so right. They are straight. Let's count them. 1, 2, and 3. 3 sides is called a three-sided shape is called a triangle. Triangle. Anybody know what this shape is? Boop. It's covering my face. We get confused with these two ones. People go back and forth. They call it a rectangle or they call it a square. Now, there is a technical thing that people might call it different things. But right now, I need you to learn that this is a square. Why? Why do you think, Dominic, why do you think this is a square? A square has straight sides. Good. But I heard you say it. Square sides are all the same size. That's the same size as this one. This one is the same size as this one. This is a square. So if this is a square, what will this be? This right here is a, looks different, hold on. There we go. A rectangle. Everybody say rectangle. The sides are straight and they're connected. Let's count the rectangle sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 4 sides too. But this is called a rectangle because rectangles have what? 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Awesome job. Rectangles have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Okay, now I'm going to blow your brains. Are you going to be able to know these names of these shapes? I only just addressed it yesterday, but let's see if you got it. I heard it. Kiki, did you say trapezoid or was it Hollis? Did you say trapezoid? Let's count the sides. These sides are straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome, awesome job. These have 4 sides. 4 sides? 4 sides. This is called a trapezoid. Can you say trapezoid? Awesome job. The next shape we are going to be learning about is called a diamond. Is it called a diamond? No, it's not called a diamond. Very good, Campbell. It's not a diamond because a diamond is a stone. A rhombus is a shape. A diamond is a stone. A rhombus is a shape. Great job, Campbell. I knew you knew that one. So let's count the straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. 4, 4, 4. Say it all. 4. All right. Now let's do this one. Yesterday I showed you this and I found a trick, and I always, if somebody told me this when I was younger, I would have been like, whoa, I get it. Okay? Who thinks they know this one? Ben? Ben, let's do this first. If you're not sure, let's do this one because I always forget this. This shape has straight sides. Very good. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bingo. This shape has 6 sides. 6. 6. I hear X. Ben, you're right. This shape is called a hexagon. Can you say hexagon? The cool about this shape is because hex and X is in hex, and there's an X in 6. So if you think, what is a hexagon? It has 6 sides. Okay, what shape has 6 sides? Hexagon. Great job on reviewing your shapes. So today we are going to be learning how to count the sides. And we are going to learn this big word. You ready for this big word? Vertices. Everybody say vertices. So we're going to learn the sides. We're going to learn this word called sides. And we're going to learn this big word called vertices. I'm writing it down for you. So sides are those straight things that we've learned in hold on, guys, sorry. Vertices are those sides are the straight parts of a shape. Okay, and we found that. So you guys are like, this is easy. When we find sides, we mark it like this. So here's the word sides. Ooh, it has that silent E and adds that side. So here, I'm going to draw a triangle. Everybody see the triangle? That's my triangle. I need to show you how many sides there are. 1, 2, 3. That's how you count it. And I'm going to write a 3. Awesome. If I showed you a square, tried my best on the square because they have to be all the same size, but it is hard when you don't have something. And I'm going to count my sides. All right, watch me how I do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So that had 4 sides. Let me do one more. A circle. Count the straight side. There are no straight sides, so it has 0. Very cool. Let's do a trapezoid. Let's count the sides. I just want to make sure you guys see me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, the sides are the straight sides. Straight sides of the straight lines. There we go. That makes it help. So we learned about the word sides. What we're going to be learning about is this big word, vertices. Can everybody say vertice? The vertex. So I'm going to write vertices. Can you say vertices? Vertices are just the corners. Now, you guys are big kindergartners. We don't use the word corners. We use vertices. Now, vertices is more than one. because that S. Do you see that S right there? Where is it? Right here. But if I found that there's one vertices, we don't say one vertices, we say one vertex. Vertex. All right. So, but we use that word. We're going to use this word vertices a lot because there's not a lot of shapes that have one vertex. There might be a 3D shape, but we're learning about vertices. All right. So this is how we show me how many vertices are there. Now watch this cool trick. You're going to notice something when I count these vertices. Vertices are the corners of it. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. Wait a second. How many sides? 1, 2, 3. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3. You are going to circle the vertices. The vertices are the corners. We don't say corners though. What word do we say? Vertices. Everybody say it loud. Vertices. Very good. Let's find this one. This is a square. We counted the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same size. Now I'm going to give you a little hint. The number of sides is the same as the number of vertices. So if you have a 5-sided shape, you have how many vertices? Hagen, you're right. You have 5 vertices. Okay, I'm going to ask, who am I going to ask for? Ellie. Okay, you ready for this, Ellie? If you have a 4-sided shape, how many vertices do you have if you have 4 sides? You're right. 4. Very good. Let's count. Now watch, we circle them. We draw lines for the sides and we circle the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome, awesome job. All right. And we know circles don't have that because they don't have sides. So that is how we're going to do it. I have these cool things. I wish whenever we get back or something like that, I am going to show you how to, it's called anglings, okay? I'm going to do a few of them, but after this, I want you to go and draw 4 shapes. You're going to draw 4 different shapes. It could be a hexagon. It could be a triangle. It could be a, don't do circle. It need to be a straight-sided shape. It can be a square, a triangle, a rectangle, a trapezoid. You're going to choose 4. You're going to take those 4. You're going to take those 4, write your name on this paper. Make sure I have paper. And you are going to show me the sides and show me the vertices. But before I start with that, okay, so that's what we're going to do today is you're going to go take a blank piece of paper, if I can get a blank piece of paper. All right, get a blank piece of paper. Always write your what? Name and date. All right, so I write my name and date. And today should be Tuesday, 31st. I'm going to choose 4 shapes. If you have a hard time finding shapes, maybe you can look at different ways. I'm going to draw a triangle, a square, a rectangle, and I'm going to draw a trapezoid. Okay, I'm going to sound out the word triangle. Triangle. I'm going to sound the square. Square. I'm going to sound out the word rectangle. Let's stretch out the word. Rectangle. That's 3 parts. I mean 3. Let's do the first part. Rec. Let's spell out rec. Tang. Goal. Trapezoid. Trapezoid. So now I want you to show me how to do the line sides, the vertices. So what I'm going to do is 1, 2, 3. Circle the vertices, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to write the number in the middle. Do you see how I did that? As for square, draw a line for sides and count the circles. You're going to upload that to Edsby so I can get to see if you guys understand it. If you don't, you can always have your parents message me and I can work with you. All right, well, have fun and practice naming those shapes because 2D shapes are flat. Let's review one more thing. Straight sides, what are these called? Vertices. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice that. All right. Hope to see your work. I can't wait to see it. See you.